So OnePlus has recently confirmed that their next generation flagship smartphone, the OnePlus 10 Pro, is coming in January 2022 before the launch of the biggest competitor, the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The OnePlus 10 series will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. If you haven't seen the benchmarks of the 8 Gen 1, then check out my video. Now, we've already heard that the OnePlus 10 Pro will feature a 6.7-inch 1440p LTPS display, and of course, smooth 120Hz refresh rate support. Now, OnePlus's co-founder and Oppo's CPO, Pete Lau, has now confirmed that the OnePlus 10 Pro will indeed come with LTPS panel, but it will be an LTPS 2.0 display. So if you don't know, the LTPS displays are a special kind of OLED display that has capabilities to change the refresh rate between 1Hz and 120Hz depending on the content showing on the display, technically. For example, in always-on display mode, the display don't need to refresh at standard 60Hz or even higher than that. So the display can go as low as 1Hz at those times, or even the display can go all the way to 120Hz like when you're playing certain games. That means the phone will be able to save tons of battery, but we know nothing about the LTPS 2.0 display. Now, it may be a better improved, definitely, but we don't know about the exact information. According to the CPO, he has confirmed that Samsung is the display manufacturer, and he even said that OnePlus and Samsung will reveal more about the display technology, the LTPS 2.0 display technology, in January 2022. So as for the specs, the OnePlus 10 Pro will have 32-megapixel selfie camera placed inside a punch hole in the top left corner of the display. At the back, the phone is expected to feature 48-megapixel main camera, complemented by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and an 8-megapixel 3x telephoto zoom camera. The phone will also come with 8GB or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM option, as well as 128GB and 256GB UFS 3.1 storage options. Now, according to previous reports, we can expect the phone to have 5000 mAh battery cell, which I think is way more than sufficient. But if that is not making you happy, well, the OnePlus 10 Pro will likely support super fast wired charging of 80 watt, and wirelessly the phone will be able to charge at up to 50 watt. I think both speeds are quite fast and should be able to top up the battery real fast. So yeah. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.